Welcome to HolisticHealth TV, where we share natural and powerful ways to heal your body. Today's topic is deeply personal and incredibly important: infertility. Whether you're trying to conceive or supporting a loved one on this journey, this video will reveal natural remedies, foods, herbs, and lifestyle changes that can help restore fertility in both men and women. Stay with us, you might discover the one thing that changes your life. What is infertility? Infertility is defined as the inability to conceive after 12 months of regular, unprotected intercourse. For women over 35, that window shortens to 6 months. It can also refer to the inability to carry a pregnancy to term. Infertility isn't just a woman's issue. About 40% of cases are due to male factors, 40% female factors, and 20% are unexplained or a mix of both. Types of infertility. Primary infertility, when a couple has never been able to conceive. Secondary infertility, when a couple has conceived before but is now unable. In men, azoospermia, no sperm. Oligospermia, low sperm count. Poor sperm motility or morphology. In women, ovulatory disorders. Blocked fallopian tubes. Endometriosis or fibroids. Premature ovarian failure. Causes of infertility. For men, low sperm count or poor quality. Varicocele, enlarged veins in the scrotum. Hormonal imbalances. Lifestyle habits: smoking, alcohol, stress, poor diet, exposure to toxins. For women, POS, polycystic ovary syndrome, endometriosis, hormonal imbalances, low estrogen, progesterone, etc. The following are the consequences of untreated infertility: emotional distress and mental health issues, strained relationships, hormonal imbalances worsen over time, long-term reproductive health damage, increased risk of chronic illnesses due to underlying causes. So now, let's see some natural remedies to cure infertility. Superfoods and nutrients. The superfood and nutrients include zinc and vitamin C, boost sperm count and motility. Folic acid and iron, support egg quality. Omega-3 fatty acids, improve hormone production. Antioxidants, from berries. Green tea, reduce oxidative stress. Fertility-boosting foods: walnuts, pumpkin seeds, avocados, leafy greens, beets, and broccoli, garlic, ginger, and turmeric, eggs, bananas, and citrus fruits. Now, we're digging into the second crucial part that you must pay more attention to, and that's fertility herbs. Maca root, supports libido and sperm count. Ashwagandha, reduces stress and balances hormones. Chasteberry, Vitex, regulates menstruation and ovulation. Red raspberry leaf, strengthens the uterus. Dong Quai, balances estrogen levels. Fertility juices: beetroot plus carrot plus ginger. Spinach plus apple plus lemon. Pineapple plus mint plus cucumber. If you are still here, before we go into discussing the lifestyle changes that boost infertility, please click the subscribe button if you have not done that before now. Like, share and comment below if you need more help on the natural remedies and how to use the herbs for quick results. Lifestyle changes that boost fertility. Regular exercise increases circulation and hormone balance. Sleep 7 to 9 hours daily, restores hormone production. Avoid plastics and toxins. BPA and pesticides harm fertility. Stress management, meditation, yoga, prayer, and nature walks. Avoid smoking, alcohol, and caffeine overuse. Maintain healthy weight. Ideal BMI improves chances. When to seek help and real-life success tips. Natural treatments work best when started early. Work with a holistic doctor or fertility nutritionist. Keep a fertility journal. Try seed cycling for hormone balance. Flax, pumpkin, sunflower, sesame seeds. Acupuncture and reflexology are also powerful allies. Infertility can feel like a lonely and painful road, but nature has given us powerful tools to heal and restore. Don't give up hope. Start making these changes today, and you might be surprised by what your body can do. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Let's heal naturally.